Hello and welcome to the comprehensive video on setting up Cypress for automation testing. Cypress is a modern end-to-end testing framework that makes it easy to write, run and debug tests for your web applications. In this video, I will be covering some of the key features and UI uses of Cypress that make it popular choice for automation testing, and also I will show you everything you need to know Cypress installation and set up the necessary tools to writing and running your first test. Before we moving further in this video, hit subscribe and like button. First we start with some key features and UI uses of Cypress. First one is time travel debugging. One of the most unique and powerful feature of the Cypress is time travel debugging. This feature allows you to time travel through your tests, seeing exactly what happened at each step and making it easy to identify and fix problems in your tests. And moving to next, real-time reloading. Another important feature of Cypress is real-time reloading. When you make changes to your test, Cypress will automatically reload and rerun the tests, so you can see the results of your changes in real time. This makes it easier to develop and debug your tests. Now, the next is network request inspections. Cypress also include a network request inspector that allow you to view and debug network requests made by your tests. You can see the request and response headers, status code and more, making it easy to identify and fix problems with network requests. Now next is cross-browsing testing. Cypress support cross-browser testing, so you can write tests and run in multiple browsers including Chrome, Firefox and Safari. This makes it easier to ensure that your tests are compatible with different browsers and environments. Now next is screenshots and videos. View screenshots taken automatically on failure or videos of your entire test suite when you run from the CLI. The next feature is automatic waiting. You don't need to add waits and sleeps to your tests. Cypress automatically waits for command and assertion before moving on. And the next feature for spies, stub and clocks. Verify and control the behavior of functions, servers, response or timers. That all features make Cypress unique from the other automation tools. Now next, get started with Cypress installation and necessary tools to writing and running your tests. First, we need to install Node.js and npm. The first step is setting up Cypress to install Node.js and npm, which is the Node package manager. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime that allows you to run JavaScript outside of a browser, and npm used to manage dependency and packages for your browser. If you don't already have Node.js and npm installed on your computer, you can download and install them from the official Node.js website. First, we download Node for Windows. After download, install it. Now, set up environment variable. First, we need to copy Node.js path and open system variable environment property. Add system variable by clicking on new and add variable name node home and add variable value node.js path. Now add user variables by clicking on new and add variable name node path and variable value %node underscore home %. Now apply it. Now we need to download Visual Studio Code. Go to the website and download it. After download setup, click and install it. You can get Node.js and Visual Studio Code download link in our description. Now next is create a new project directory. For create a new project directory for your Cypress test, this can be done by using command line. First we need to open terminal. For open terminal, click on the left bottom corner cross icon and then click on terminal tab. For directory creation, we use mkdir command, mkdirectory, make directory command, mkdir space our project name. So we add here Cypress _ automation and press enter. Now we navigate to the Cypress automation folder. For navigation, we use cd space Cypress _ automation, then press enter. And now run following command to initialize a new npm project, npm-i in it, and press enter. Then we press multiple time enter to create package.json file in project. Now we open project directory in VS Code. Here we can see package.json file. Package.json file is using for maintain complete project dependency and details. Now next we install Cypress. To install Cypress, we run the following command in your project directory: npm install cypress --save -dev. This will install the latest version of Cypress in your project and add dependency in your package.json file. Now next, initialize the project. Once Cypress is installed, initialize the project by running simple command npx cypress open. This will open the Cypress test runner. What is Cypress test runner? Cypress includes a powerful tool, test runner, that make it easy to run, debug and inspect your test. The test runner provides a real-time feedback on the result of your test, including detailed information and each test and its results. You can also interact with your tests in real time, making it easier to identify and fix problems in your test. Here we get two options. First one for end-to-end testing and other for component or unit testing. So here we select end-to-end testing option. Here we can see Cypress automatically added some file. We discuss about this file in later videos. It will automatically create a default example test in your Cypress integration directory. If not created by default, we create test file test.cy.js manually in Cypress integration folder. Now that the project is set up, it's time to write your own test cases. In test.cy.js file, we write down our some test cases for Open, Facebook.com and Google.com. Cypress tests are written in JavaScript and use a Mocha style syntax. If you are not familiar with Mocha, don't worry, it's easy to learn and there are plenty of resources available online. Here we added sample test cases in test.cy.js file. Then we run our runner by using simple command npx cypress open. This will open up the Cypress test runner and allow you to interact with your test in real time. You can debug, inspect your test, view network request and more. The interactive test runner is powerful tool for debugging and developing your test. With its real-time feedback and details information about your test, it's easier than ever to identify and fix problems in your test. Here we can see our bot test cases are paused. We can see our logs and live test cases here. You can also run our test cases in CLI mode by using npx cypress run command. That command directly pick up your test from Cypress integration directory and run your test cases. So guys, you can set up and easily run your tests in Cypress. Cypress is a modern and powerful end-to-end testing framework that make it easy to write, run and debug tests for your web application. With its time travel debugging, real-time reloading, network request inspection, cross-browsing testing, integrate reporting, powerful test runner, Cypress is a popular choice for automation testing. Whether you are beginner or an experienced tester, Cypress has everything you need to get started with automation testing and take your test to the next level. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you have any doubt, you can comment, and thank you for watching this video.